So these are the different formats that are available for strings. That is, using the printf statement, I am printing %s, which is the format specifier for a string, and text. Now this text is nothing but triangle. So this is the general format, printf %s and text, it will print the character, it will print the string. Now this 0.5, 15, minus 10.4, all these are for printing certain characters alone from the string. Now say the size of the string is 10, I want only the first 4 or first 5 characters. In that case I can use digits like this. So in the second statement I have printf %.5s and I am printing this text. So 0.5 in the sense it will take only the first 5 characters and it will display. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out of this entire text only the first 5 are displayed over here. In the next I want to display the first 15 characters. Now here if you see, the compiler will not return any wrong result. Though the size of the text is less than 15, if you want to display 15, it will simply print blank values along with the whole text. It will not return any error. The next statement, if you see, I am printing %.0. 0 means I don't want any character of the text to be printed. That is why this space is left blank over here. Nothing is printed when you give such a printf statement. And final printf statement, I am having a minus 10.4. This is nothing but for justification. So when I give minus 10.4, it is left justified by 10 spaces and the 4 characters of the text are printed. So this try as the first 4 characters of this entire text triangle, which is displayed in a left justified manner. So this is just an example for you to know that a string can be printed with so many modifications. All this is permissible in the C programming language.